Hello everyone, I am Elsie Was. Welcome to my channel once again. Today I come with a very special thing. We are going to make one particular sauce and we are going to make 3 different dishes along with that. A couple of days before I put up a video, I published a video of how to make cream of cauliflower soup. The entire procedure, the complete procedure of making this particular sauce is the same. So I'm not going to repeat the complete procedure. Once the sauce is made, we'll see how we are going to use that in 3 different ways. So let's start making it. All the details will be given in the description box. Also the link of the cream of cauliflower soup will be given. Please go through it to get the procedure how to make this sauce. So let's start doing it. I have taken 1 cup of pasta, which I am going to put it in the boiling water with salt and cook it till the time it is soft and drain it out and take it out. Then we are going to make white pasta in cauliflower sauce. It's something very new and it is amazingly tasty. Let's try it. Our pasta has been boiling for 3 minutes. I think 1 more minute it will be done. We don't want to become very soft. Same time it should be cooked properly. So our absolutely delicious cream of cauliflower is ready and it is already boiling. I'm going to put on the flame. I'm going to put some cheese and leave it for getting it dissolved. And after that, we are going to make 3 things out of this. 3 different ways we are going to use this cream of cauliflower. I'd already put a video on cream of cauliflower soup. The link will be given below so you can check that out. And 2 more things we are going to make this. So let's put some cheese and put it off. The flame is off. That's it. Let's make our pasta in cauliflower sauce. So our cooked pasta is ready and our cauliflower sauce is ready. Let's make it. It's amazing and it tastes so good, just like pasta in white sauce. So your delicious pasta in cream of cauliflower sauce is ready. It's just like white sauce with the goodness of cauliflower also in that. And enjoy this. For this particular sauce, we have not added too much water. It has to be pouring consistency, the sauce, so that it comes and coats the whole pasta, and it is so very well coated. So let's go to the next one. Keep the sauce little more thicker and you get your favorite dip. Any of your snacks, any snack of your choice, yes, this is an ideal dip. Very healthy, very delicious and very easy to make. You can have it along with your chips, your snacks, any of your evening snacks. Look at the consistency. It's a lovely dip. Make it little more thinner. This is the right consistency for a thick cream of cauliflower soup, and your soup is ready. So friends, we made 1 cream of cauliflower sauce and we got delicious cream of cauliflower soup. We got very tasty pasta in white sauce, that is cauliflower sauce, and of course our dip in cauliflower dip. This is the cauliflower cream of cauliflower dip. It's equally tasty and delicious. So friends, try this at home. So easy, and these things can be made and kept. This sauce can be made and kept one day before. So whenever you feel like having pasta, just pour it over and enjoy it. Snacks, it's a lovely dip, and soup is of course all-time favorite. So let's try making these and enjoy.